In a small, friendly town lived a flop-eared dog named Buddy. Now, Buddy wasn't just any dog. He had a very special nose. It wasn't just a nose for sniffing out dropped bits of cheese or leftover treats. And it wasn't just a nose for finding the best muddy puddles to splash in after a good rain. No, Buddy's nose was far more magical than that. Buddy could smell feelings. To Buddy, every emotion had its own unique scent. Happiness smelled like warm sunshine pouring through a window, mixed with the delightful aroma of freshly made popcorn. Sadness smelled like a gentle rain falling on old, dry leaves in the autumn, and worry smelled like a tight, tangled knot and a blast of cold, sharp air. Every morning, Buddy would start his day the same way. He'd poke his head out the doggy door, take a deep sniff of the morning breeze, and his tail would start wagging with anticipation. All right, let's see how everyone is feeling today, he'd think to himself, ready for his daily adventure. His mission was simple, to make the world a little brighter, one sniff at a time. On his morning walk, Buddy's sensitive nose picked up something heavy and damp in the air. Sadness. He followed the scent with a determined little trot until he found its source. A little girl was sitting all alone on a park bench, clutching her backpack tightly to her chest. Her shoulders were slumped, and the air around her felt heavy, like a rainy day. Buddy approached her quietly, his paws making soft little sounds on the pavement. He didn't bark to get her attention. He didn't jump up on the bench. He just sat down beside her, very close, and leaned his warm, furry body gently against her leg. It was a simple, quiet gesture of support. He rested his head on his paws and just stayed. Slowly, the heavy scent of sadness began to soften, like mist burning off in the morning sun. The little girl looked down at the furry friend beside her. A tiny smile touched her lips as she reached out and wrapped her arms around Buddy's neck, burying her face in his soft fur. "You're a good dog," she whispered, her voice a little thick. Buddy's tail gave a slow, happy thump against the bench. Later that afternoon, a new scent caught Buddy's attention. This one was sharp and jittery. Worry. It was coming from a man who was pacing back and forth on the sidewalk, rubbing his hands together nervously. The air around him was thick with the smell of a tangled knot. Buddy knew just what to do. He scampered over to a nearby tree, found the perfect stick knot, too big, not too small, and trotted back to the man, dropping it right at his feet with a hopeful look. The man stopped pacing and looked down. He saw the stick, then looked at Buddy's expectant, happy face. A small chuckle escaped him, then a full laugh. He bent down, picked up the stick, and gave it a toss. As they played a quick game of fetch, the tight, knotted smell of worry started to unravel. It drifted away like a passing cloud, replaced by something much lighter. Buddy sniffed the air again as the man scratched him behind the ears. Better, much better. As the sun began to set, painting the sky in shades of orange and pink, Buddy smelled something absolutely wonderful. Joy. It wasn't coming from just one place. It was everywhere. It was bubbling up from the playground, bright and warm and full of energy. Children were chasing each other, their laughter echoing through the park. Buddy couldn't resist. He bounded into the middle of the happy chaos, his tail wagging so hard his whole body wiggled. He ran with the children, weaving between their legs, joining in their games, and spreading even more joy with every happy bark and every excited wag of his tail. The scent of pure, unbridled happiness was the best smell in the world. That night, back at home, Buddy curled up in his favorite spot on the rug. He was tired, but content. He took one last deep sniff of the air inside his house, and he smelled the strongest, most wonderful scent of all: love. Love smelled like home. It smelled like warm blankets, like safety, and like knowing you belong. It was the scent of his family nearby, their gentle breathing filling the quiet house. Buddy let out a happy sigh and closed his eyes, his nose still twitching slightly in his sleep, because he knew that tomorrow there would be a whole new world of feelings to smell. And he, Buddy, the dog who could smell feelings, would be ready. Thanks for watching our story today. If you enjoyed spending time with Buddy, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more heartwarming tales. We'll see you next time.